Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download reputation management templates from Podium. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download reputation management templates from Podium, start by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Podium's website and press enter. Once the web page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to access your account. Enter your credentials in the provided fields and click on the Submit button. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Templates section, which is usually found in the menu on the left side. Click on Templates to view the available options. Browse through the list of reputation management templates. Once you find a template you want to download, click on it. You will see a preview of the template along with additional options. Locate the download button, typically found near the preview section. Click on the download button to start the process. The template will download to your device, usually in a zip file or PDF format. Check your device's download folder to find the downloaded file. Extract the contents if it's a zip file and open the template. You are now ready to customize and use your reputation management template. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.